Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to unblock person on Facebook. Very easy tutorial. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are pretty new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Facebook app. So I'm going to click on here, open my Facebook app. After you open up your Facebook app, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on your profile icon from the top, take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for settings and privacy. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for blocking. Click on that. They take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply tap on any contact you want to unblock. Let's, for instance, I want to unblock this contact. I will simply click on it. And this is going to pop up. Unblock this particular contact. What you need to do next is to simply click on unblock. And with that, the person will be added back to your friend list on Facebook and will be totally unblocked from your Facebook account. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to unblock person on Facebook. Very easy tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.